Hello and welcome to another informative video on this channel. In this video we will learn about supervised learning. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning algorithm that uses a known dataset, called the training dataset, to make predictions. The term supervised refers to the presence of a supervisor or a teacher who guides the learning process. In this context, the supervisor is the labeled training data from which the learning algorithm learns to make predictions or decisions. The process of training a supervised learning model involves the following 6 steps. Data collection is the first step. In this step we gather a large, high-quality dataset with input-output pairs. The quality of the training data significantly impacts the model's performance. Data preprocessing is the second step. In this step we clean the data to handle missing values, encode categorical variables, normalize numerical features, and potentially reduce dimensionality. Model selection is an important step in every machine learning process. Here we choose an appropriate machine learning algorithm based on the nature of the problem and the characteristics of the data. Training is an important step in supervised learning. We use the training dataset to fit the model parameters. This often involves minimizing a loss function that measures the difference between the predicted values and the actual target values in the training data. In the validation step, we evaluate the model's performance, using a separate validation dataset to fine-tune hyperparameters and prevent overfitting. Testing is the last step. In this step, we assess the final model's performance on a test dataset that was not used during the training or validation phases to estimate how well the model will generalize to new data. Supervised learning is commonly used in email filtering to classify incoming emails as spam or legitimate. A machine learning algorithm is trained using a labeled dataset containing examples of both spam and legitimate emails. The algorithm then extracts relevant information from each email, such as the sender's information, the subject, the message body, and so on. It learns from the labeled dataset to identify patterns and relationships between these features and their corresponding labels, that is spam or legitimate. Once trained, the algorithm can use the extracted features to predict the label of new, unseen emails. If an email is predicted to be spam, it can be automatically filtered into a spam folder, else to the inbox folder, thus saving the user's inbox space.